Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile without lag. First, let's dive into your in-game graphics settings. For the smoothest experience on a 2GB RAM device, always set your graphics to smooth. This significantly reduces the visual load. Next, select the highest frame rate option your device offers, like Extreme or Ultra, to ensure fluid animations. Also, remember to disable anti-aliasing and shadows, as these features consume valuable processing power. To further enhance your gameplay, focus on device optimization. Before starting PUBG Mobile, close all other background applications to free up your 2GB of RAM. Regularly clear your phone's cache and maintain at least 2 to 3 GB of free internal storage. Crucially, disable any battery saver modes, as they often throttle your device's CPU. Lastly, prevent overheating by playing in a cool environment, as excessive heat severely impacts performance. A stable network is vital for lag-free gaming. Always prioritize a reliable Wi-Fi connection over mobile data to minimize ping spikes. You might also explore using a reputable game booster or ping optimizer application to stabilize your network route. Furthermore, turn off all unnecessary notifications to avoid disruptive pop-ups during intense matches. If issues persist, use the in-game repair option or reinstall PUBG Mobile to ensure a clean, optimized installation, removing any accumulated junk files. Finally, fine-tune your advanced settings for a competitive edge. Experiment with your camera and aim down sight sensitivity. A good starting point is around 100% for camera and 85% for ADS. If your device supports it, enable the gyroscope and set its sensitivity to roughly 90% for superior tracking. Customize your control layout for maximum comfort and quick access to essential buttons. Lastly, boost your sound effects volume to hear critical cues like footsteps and gunshots, giving you a significant advantage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.